may naliligo.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah. Smells like salt water, finally. I want a great job.
Wow.
Me too. Me too. And dito. Ay. Tapilok. Natumba ako, guys. Saan tayo? Dito daw. Enter through the gate at the back of the house. Oh, may sauna rin siya, oh. Oh, mayroon pa, may mga bike. Sauna. Funny.
I like it. Mag-ano tayo.
May pa sauna siya.
Mag-chill tayo.
Yeah. Pwede rin umilang ng bike. It's so nice. Okay, quick update. We got checked in. And then we're going to... Where are we going?
The Butchart Gardens.
Butchart Gardens.
Tindahan ka lang.
Lang mas rare to. Anong plant? Nanunulak pa.
Here, I'll show you here. Aesthetic.
Pero yung likod garden tsaka
Ulit pre, yung
Gumaga.
yung model po.
Gumagangsay kayo. Gumagangsay ka, tapos garden yung nasa likod mo. What's up? Welcome sa hood ko. Ito nga pala yung hood ko. So what's up? Dito, ikaw na.
Ayun o, ayun o.
Taas.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Tingin dito, tingin dito.
Tumingin ka dito.
Brian.
Hand pre, hand. Talk to the hand. Kataan mo ng talk to the hand. Oh.
So right now,
Right now we are at Butchart Gardens.
no internet.
It's really nice. Look at
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
pre, hangin mo yung 25 cents lang.
25 cents lang daw. Pag $1 hindi daw matutuloy yung wish.
Matutuloy yan. 25
Tutuloy
cents
yan.
Ang wish ko, new job, new career. Yeah. Diba? New job, new career, and happy for the Ang wish ko, matupad lahat ang wish ko.
Hindi pa sinabing matapad lahat ng wish natin.
Oh, sige, ito. Mayroon sa lahat. Ang wish ko, matupad ang lahat ng wish mag-wish dito.
Ngayong araw lang dapat.
Ito pa, wish ko.
Yung kaya dami wish ko, $1 pa yung bibigay. Pre, wish mo nga.
1 cent per wish.
Dahil mo wish, $1 na naman lalaglag mo.
Me every morning.
You know.
Ginagawa mo. Uy, mali yun ah. Ano yun, uy?
I went out today just to see the light. It will never change, and I know I'm leaving. Trying to find out what I want, but it slipped away. You don't know how much I thought of you. It will never change, no matter what you do. Just let me come home and let me stay. I could let it pass, but not tonight. I could let this pass, but tonight I'm leaving for Tokyo. Longing for your hands, I cannot get tired of you. Walking on the streets again, feeling lonely and blue. Tokyo. Will we ever meet again? Do you remember me too? I am so addicted to you. Tokyo.
Oh, tara. Hindi na magpapahinga.